The year is 1936. People are dancing to Benny Goodman, marveling at Jesse Owens, and listening to the Green Hornet on the radio. And out in California, Foster Salsbury opens a manufacturing facility with a commitment to making top-quality products and treating his customers like gold with excellent service. A lot has changed over the years, but that commitment has never wavered, and it shows. Today, Salsbury Industries is the industry leader in manufacturing and distributing quality mailboxes and lockers in the United States and abroad.
The word Salsbury is synonymous with quality. When people are buying from you because of your reputation for quality and service, you take that responsibility seriously. That's what Foster Salsbury did. That's what we're still doing today. And it's that kind of long-standing commitment to excellence that raises the bar for us every single day.
It's been over 75 years since Foster Salsbury began putting his name on quality products. The company manufactures and ships hundreds of thousands of mailboxes and lockers every year, equipping the United States Postal Service, military bases, apartment complexes, commercial buildings, health clubs, schools, and homes. What started in 1936 has grown into 500,000 square feet of facilities with hundreds of committed employees, all working together to make a product worthy of the Salsbury name. Using the latest manufacturing methods along with state-of-the-art machinery and computer-aided robotics, Salsbury Industries is setting the standard for the mailbox and locker industry.
At Salsbury, what really makes the difference is our service. We recognize that the lifeblood of our business is the customer, so giving them amazing service is our first priority. At the end of the day, it's really all about building and maintaining customer relationships. And building a great product doesn't hurt either.
To put it simply, Salsbury Industries is different, and that difference is what our customers experience from the minute they place an order. Whether it was placed over the phone with a helpful sales representative or through one of our user-friendly mailboxes.com or lockers.com websites, orders are typically shipped within 24 to 48 hours, regardless of the size of the order. And every customer is just a phone call or email away from live, on-the-spot customer service personnel, ready to help with any of your mailbox or locker needs.
We like to call it red carpet service. We're thankful for every customer and every order, and we display our gratitude by the level of customer service we provide. We make a great, competitively priced product and get it out the door quickly. It worked in 1936, and it still works today.
Whether the need is for a single residential mailbox or a large commercial project, a small locker room, or an expansive sports facility, Salsbury Industries delivers a top-quality product with unsurpassed customer service, on time, every time. It worked when people were dancing to Benny Goodman, and it's still working today. And with our experience, track record, and capabilities, Salsbury products will still be around. It will still be working far into the future.